was scared to death of making the first move. And you always had a thing for me, but when I came around, we would both just freeze. Don't let this moment slip away. This is our last chance. We let our clothing slip away, and then I grabbed your hand. We're feeling like, yeah, yeah. What are we waiting for? Yeah, yeah. Why are we wasting time? Yeah, yeah. What are we waiting for? Who knows the next time we'll be naked in Venice. Naked in Venice. Tonight, does my voice sound right? Right enough to make you wanna sneak out in the night and walk upon the pavement, holding on tight and never letting go, cause you're scared I might fly away. Big plans, pencil me in. No way you can sense it again. So young, the way we should live and make this one night stand for something we did. Don't let this moment slip away. This is our last chance. We let our clothing slip away, and then I grabbed your hand. We're feeling like, yeah, yeah. What are we waiting for? Yeah, yeah. Why are we wasting time? Yeah, yeah. What are we waiting for? Who knows the next time we'll be naked in Venice. Naked in Venice. Always had a thing for me. Give it to him, yeah, yeah. Give it to him, yeah, yeah. Give it to him, yeah, yeah. Give it to him, yeah, yeah, yeah. What are we waiting for? Yeah, yeah. Why are we wasting time? Yeah, yeah. What are we waiting for? Who knows the next time we'll be naked in Venice. Naked in Venice. Naked in Venice. Naked in Venice. Clap your hands with me. Somebody give me one more, cause I just ran out. I don't go to the clubs and I don't stand out. Balls to the wall in the basement, partying. Doesn't matter what bar we in or what car we in. Be red on the ones and twos. Now I know just what to do. Start going buck wild, cutting up the rug in the middle of the music dealer's living room. It's like boom, how you like me now? Fans through the waves, so I surf the crowd. Speakers blown cause we get so loud. Never sell out, but our show sold out. Get 'em like, hey, getting torn up in the middle of the day. Radical something, you know what they say. Once you get a little taste, then you'll never be the same. Right up, it's the last night. It's the last night. It's the last night in the city of lights. It's the last night. It's the last night. It's the last night to do what we came to do. Sweaty tea, dripping wet. Did I get your number? I forget. It's big red in my own weight class. Tomahawk, yeah, breaking glass, yeah. And we're on a roll. Sit back, relax, get comfortable. Cause these days got heat waves. Listen, little mama, better behave. Instant replay, raps A class. Never been a function that we can't crash, may laugh. I bet you gon' move your butt when I pop out the top with the groovy stuff. I'm two-faced to talk and took a dang shot with a grain of salt. Hop right in, get right to it, move it. Dare me enough and I just might do it. Right up, it's the last night. It's the last night. It's the last night in the city of lights. It's the last night. It's the last night. It's the last night.
love, give us a shout. 818-221-9368.
How do I get out of here? Back to where I belong. And miss a little holding up inside the cocktail. California, baby, I'm coming home. I need some fun vibes and a couple drops of sunshine. Good enough to pick and choose, the always over sometimes. Pour a little out, we like to live a lot. And I make better decisions when I'm hot. We're taking dreams from my seats at the hangout spot. No plan for the night, but we all stay locked right in. Nice grin, no thunder or lightning. Just the view of the ocean and the sexy ass light-skinned girl. I'm going back, and I'm headed for my paradise. My paradise where I can sit and write songs, eat a little food, and we can share our lives. In California got me thinking I should really take it easy. Out back with my crew and some girls if you need me. So when I say welcome home, you ask what do I mean? I mean you visit and you never wanna leave. Come find me. How do I get out of here? Back to where I belong. California, baby, I'm coming home. Oh yeah, it's so sweet, California, yeah. With the fruits all fall from my family tree. I need my skateboard, a drink, and a long stretch of pavement. Picking up my pace and I'm back to the basics, yeah. And travel well on my element. Going for a second in. Every time I leave, you know I'm always second guessing it. Thinking I'll regret it, but you know I'm coming back in the end and I've accepted it. Yeah, I'm feeling all golden. We're skating on the sidewalk and you can hear us all rolling. It's so damn hot outside, and missed flights are the only thing that's stopping me from trying to kick it tropically. Cause out here we don't just own the sun. Us California kids got a monopoly. Let's go, come on. How do I get out of here? Back to where I belong. California, baby, I'm coming home. Cause I've been gone for way too long. I'm coming home. Cause I've been gone for way too long. And these Cali girls are all just so damn fine. And these Cali girls running through my mind. And these Cali girls are all just so damn fine. And these Cali girls running through my mind, yeah. In the middle of the sea flow, oh, don't know what the way that I'm supposed to go. I took a dive into the depths of the warm blue sea. Try to be free when nobody is watching me. Ha, so funny that I'm here today. Nobody's near today, no need to fear today. And if you had to ask, I couldn't tell you nothing today because everything just fell through.
Look at me die, look at me fall alone. A cannonball, I'm drowning on my own. But when I try to float, I see the sky, I see another road.